Here we got a 1929 Ford Tudor, Ford 9-inch rear turbo 400 small block Chevy. Small block Chevy, yeah, made Ford tough with Chevy stuff, right? Turbo 400, that's a GM engine, a GM transmission. That's a heavy duty. That transmission is it's a 3-speed. It's a freaking very solid transmission. Small block Chevy, probably a flat tappet cam small block Chevy. I don't know what kind, but they're good. How many age of the flat tappet cans Chevys? Oh, these doors. Some guy pointed this out. When they made these, eventually they made these like this. They went over like the body, and then they made them where they were flush with the body later on. It's amazing that's how they really made. You know, you almost think, why did they make them like that? I don't know. You know. Well, I guess, you know, these were light years ahead from the horse and buggy. So I mean, technologically, this thing was a marvel. But you know, you think about, you know, I always looked at these doors. I said, why the hell eventually they made them where they went in flush. So it's just simple things like that you wonder about, right? But you know, they're made for a high production. I mean, this was the people's car. I mean, they had cars out like Oldsmobile and stuff, whatever, that were big bucks. And Ford made a car for the everyday guy. So they had to make it cheaper, you know. Standardization of parts, assembly line method and all that garbage, and high production, simplicity of design. There's a big old, and you know, you'd see this type of suspension with the kingpins. I had that on my, I think it was a 66 Dodge truck. They had that same type of suspension. You think that's outdated? They had it in 66 on Dodge trucks, you know. It still worked fine, kingpins. As a matter of fact, I got kingpins on my Suzuki 4x4 even. That's an 85.